Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix keeps dropping calls on Realme 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, insert SIM, remove SIM tray, and you will see clean with the help of tissue paper. After cleaning, again insert SIM tray and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on reset. Click on system and update and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. After click on reset phone, click on reset network. After click on reset network, enter your phone pin. Again click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, last solution is software update. Click on the settings icon. Now in settings, scroll down to end. Click on system and update. Click on this first option, software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if keeps dropping calls on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.